Behind the gates of Broken Top, there's a corner home site that's been waiting for the right owner. Welcome to one of Bend's most sought-after communities. Tucked among mature aspens on a private corner home site, this beautifully maintained home offers something rare: luxury, privacy, and the effortless Central Oregon lifestyle all in one place. From the moment you arrive, you feel it: the peaceful setting, the mature landscaping, the quiet. This neighborhood has that effect on people. Step inside and you're greeted by soaring vaulted ceilings and a dramatic 2-story wall of windows. Natural light pours through every corner of this space. The great room is centered around a wood-burning fireplace with custom built-ins, grand enough to impress, warm enough to actually live in. Whether you're hosting or unwinding, this room was built for both. The kitchen flows right into the dining and living areas, open and easy, just like a home like this should feel. Large windows frame the landscape in every direction, so no matter the season, the outdoors is always part of the picture. The main level primary suite is your private retreat after a day on the golf course, the mountain, or the trail. A separate guest suite gives family and visitors their own space, and the dedicated offers real flexibility. And then there's the deck, west-facing, beautiful sunsets, and the sound of a nearby waterfall. This outdoor space is genuinely special. Unwind under the stars, have dinner outside, or just sit beneath the aspens and let the evening slow down. This is the kind of setting that makes you want to stay a little longer. Living in Broken Top is about more than the home itself. It's about the lifestyle: championship golf, miles of trails, Bend's vibrant westside just minutes away. Everything that makes Central Oregon extraordinary is right out your front door. Call today to schedule your private tour.